Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to remove a phone number from Snapchat. If you're worried regarding your privacy on Snapchat and you would like to delete a number, I'll show you the way to do it. So first you have to open up your Snapchat. When the Snapchat gets open, you have to click onto your profile icon and then you have to click on settings. Once you get there, you have to click on your phone number and then you just have to simply remove your number. But once we delete it, you can see we don't have any option to just go with it. So in that case, what you have to do is that you just have to simply get back and then simply log out, because you cannot remove your number once you have added on Snapchat. But one thing you can do is that you can create another account without the phone number. So first you have to add your name, and after that you just have to simply add your date of birth for your new account. Then it will show you username, you can continue with it, and then set the password. After that you just have to add your email. Here it would not ask you to add your contact number, it will ask you to enter your email address. So you can just simply add your email address and you can create account without using the phone number. Once you're done, simply click on continue, and after that your account will be created, and this time it didn't ask for any contact number. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.